In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6551, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that the Muslim who visits a sick person is in an orchard of paradise until they return. The first thing to note is that this narration includes visiting any sick person, irrespective of their faith. Even though this is undoubtedly a great deed, it is important for a Muslim to firstly perform this righteous deed solely for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. If they do it for any other reason, such as to show off to people, they will not gain reward from Allah, the Exalted. In addition, they should fulfill the etiquettes and conditions of visiting the sick, according to the teachings of Islam, in order to obtain their reward. In this day and age it is easy to contact the sick and their family beforehand in order to ensure they visit them at the appropriate time, as a sick person will be resting throughout the day and this will minimize the disruption caused to their family. They should not stay long thereby causing trouble to the sick person and their relatives. They should control their actions and speech so that they avoid all types of sins such as gossiping, backbiting and slandering others. They should encourage the sick to be patient and discuss the rewards associated with it and generally discuss beneficial matters in respect to the world and the hereafter. If a person is told to return at another time by the sick person or their household, a Muslim must accept this without holding any grudges, as this has specifically been commanded by Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 24 An-Nur, verse 28.
And if it is said to you, go back, then go back. It is purer for you. And Allah is knowing of what you do.
Only when one behaves in this manner will they obtain the reward outlined in the narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. If they fail in this, they will either gain no reward or they may well be left with sins, depending on how they behaved. Unfortunately, many Muslims enjoy performing this righteous deed but fail to fulfill its conditions correctly. Chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 114.
No good is there in much of their private conversation, except for those who enjoin charity, or that which is right or conciliation between people. And whoever does that seeking means to the approval of Allah, then we are going to give him a great reward.